What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. If you've been waiting for the next meme coin that actually moves fast, hits hard, and comes with real utility, then Layer Bread is the one to watch. This is the ultimate Layer 2 meme coin on Ethereum where speed meets memes and utility explodes. Our bread is picking up serious momentum and the future is fully layered. Let's dive in. Welcome back, guys. So, Layer Bread is built on Ethereum. It's powered by Layer 2 technology that delivers faster, cheaper, and fully scalable blockchain solutions. It connects ecosystems seamlessly, giving users the freedom to move assets across chains quickly and securely, which is making it a true gateway to the future. The vision here is community-driven with decentralized governance, so every holder has a voice in shaping where this project goes next. Staking this token unlocks double rewards boosted by the efficiency of Layer 2 scalability, giving you the chance to maximize your gains while supporting the ecosystem. And with scalability designed for mass adoption, low fees, and top-level security, this project is redefining how far a meme coin can go on Layer 2. But I have to emphasize that Layer Bread isn't only about meme culture. This one is actually bringing a whole blockchain revolution with it. Transactions run at lightning speed thanks to Layer 2 technology, which is making staking, trading, and every interaction across the ecosystem fully seamless. On top of that, power stays with the community through decentralized governance, which is giving holders direct influence over the project's future. Fees are lower than ever, cutting off the pain of high gas costs so users can actually keep more of what they earn. Also, developers get advanced programmability to create unique dApps and new experiences inside the ecosystem, which is pushing this innovation even further. Everything is designed to be simple, efficient, and user-friendly, delivering a smooth blockchain experience that sets this project apart. With that being said, guys, getting into this massive pre-sale is actually quite simple, and right now the price sits at just 0.005 with the next increase already on the way. Over 1.9 million USDT has been raised, and the earlier you buy, the better your entry. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1. Connect your crypto wallet. MetaMask is recommended, of course, but any supported wallet will do. Step 2. Select Ethereum, USDT, or even card payments. Then enter the amount you want to purchase, and you will instantly see how much tokens you will receive. Step 3. Press buy or buy and stake depending on your strategy, confirming your wallet, and make sure you've got enough for gas fees. For those who want to stake right away, the rewards go up to 1,600%. This means that you can compound your gains massively while securing your spot early in honestly what could become one of the strongest Layer 2 meme plays of this cycle. Holding this token gives you the ability to transact seamlessly, stake for rewards, and take part in governance proposals that shape the future of the platform. And on top of all of this, guys, what makes this even stronger is the fact that Layer Bread evolves directly out of the base bread community, which already has proven support and traction in the meme world. From my perspective as an analyst, that kind of organic growth is huge. Projects that come from active and loyal communities usually hit the ground running because they are not starting from zero. It means that this project carries a built-in user base ready to trade, stake, and build with it. And that is exactly the type of foundation that can push a Layer 2 meme ecosystem into the real dominance. That's it for today's video. If you're looking for speed, memes, and real utility all in one, then Layer Bread is the perfect project for you. Don't miss out on the pre-sale because being early here could make all the difference. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.